Hey guys, Dwayne here. In my last video, my EDC update video, in the comment section, I got a message from Stetson XD. He said he wanted to help me with my EDC. Now, in that video, I talked about several things that I'm very happy with. That I'm no longer looking for the perfect watch, wallet, knife. Okay. But one thing I wasn't happy with is this cheap little single AAA LED flashlight. It worked well when it was new, but now it's to the point where sometimes I have to bang on it to get the light to come on. It's not that bright even when it is working correctly. Okay. So I think Stetson XD may have sent me a flashlight. I got this big 3-pound package from him today. So let's check it out, do an unboxing, and see what he sent me. Alright. Gonna use this little X-Acto knife thing. I really like this for opening boxes and cutting tape. I don't know why. There's not much to it. It's got a replaceable snap-off blade. Yeah. Anyway. Anyway. Only knife guys understand things like that. Alright, let's see what he sent us. First, we have a note. Hey Dwayne, thanks for all the great content. Although I don't comment much, I watch all your videos and I really enjoy them. Your e-bike videos have made me want to get one and get back into biking again. You should definitely do that. Wanted to show my appreciation for your great work and hope you can put these flashlights to good use and they can help you with your EDC. All the best. Peace out. All right, let's see what we have. Okay, well, first we have, not sure what this orange tray is, but it's got some EDC gear in it. Is this like a drawer organizer? It says Cage SVK B6. Huh. I don't know. I really don't know what this silicone rubbery container is. Anyway, neat little hank of paracord. A little cleaning stick, Norton's UCS from CountyCom. Yep, I have seen these and I've actually thought about buying some of these. And looks like a very loud whistle. Hold your ears. Not too loud, but very nice with a deep pocket clip. That is cool. And a little skull bead for lanyard type work. That's cool. It looks like brass. Very nice. And here we have a little mini pry bar. Made in USA, US government. And a twist key ring. I think I have one of these, but this one is nylon coated wire. And it's not going to come undone by accident. Not sure what this is, this little square thing. Is that a glow-in-the-dark thing? I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll put that aside. And holy cow. What is up with all the flashlights, dude? Wow. Olight Warrior X Pro. This sucker is heavy. Wow. That's Superior Tactical Thrower. Throws 500 meters. 2100 lumens. Man, that is a powerful flashlight. Wow. All right. And here we have a, looks like a smaller USB keychain light with extended runtime. Huh. USB rechargeable light. That's cool. And here we have i5R. This light was actually recommended also by Watch Hobby. So I looked at that on Amazon, but I didn't buy it. And wow. And here we have 15th anniversary keychain light. Wow. Dude, what are you doing with all this Olight stuff? It's never been opened. Wow. Olight O-Link. Okay, this one looks like it has been opened. It's not for climbing. It's a magnet on a ring. That is cool. Wow. That is pretty cool. I can use something like that. And here we have a Olight charger. Looks like a USB charger. Yeah. Is it a flashlight? I'm gonna have to read about all these things to figure out how to use them. And here we have the Olight Baton 3. Designed to stand out. Huh. Wow. Okay. Open this one. Pull out. They do a really good job of packaging these Olight products. Wow. Wow. Okay. USB magnetic charger, lanyard, and a cute little light. Huh. Wow. I guess it needs to be charged. And it's like magnetic. Yep. That is cool. That is so cool. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you, Stetson XD, also known as Aaron. Thank you so much for all this, wow, Olight EDC goodness. Oh my gosh. Dude, you way outdid yourself. Thank you so much. Wow. I don't know which one to carry first. Yeah. That is awesome. That is awesome. So many lights. I really want to know the story behind why did you buy all these lights and some of them have never been opened. All right. Hey, thanks again, Stetson XD, Aaron. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.